This is our room tour of room number 34029 here at the Aria Sky Suites. We got a mountain view. We like our mountain view, actually, a lot better than the strip view. Little foyer when you come in. And a little bathroom, powder room. So when you come in, you get yourself a little wet bar. Coffee that's probably 50 bucks. A little sink, the $30 Fiji bottles. Got a refrigerator with a freezer that is very cold. It's your mini bar for when you get really drunk and don't realize you're spending $40 for a shot of Absolute. It's not $40, but it's not cheap. The room comes with tablet, and that controls everything in the room. Controls your lights, controls your curtains, controls the TV, the temperature. You got yourself a nice little couch. And here's the mountain view. Down here is the pool. You've got the sky pool on the right, and then the two other pools for regular guests. Got your flat screen TV, little sitting area. We'll go to the bathroom here in just a second. Here's the bed. Forgot to show you here. Like your tablet, the wall opens and closes your curtains, turns your lights on and off. Come in here, you got plenty of space to store your things. Got lots of drawers. Another big TV. And another view. Same view as the other room. It's your bed. Very comfy. Honestly, it's why we love coming to the Aria so much, is the bed is one of the most comfortable beds you've ever slept in. Fantastic. Another tablet here. This was part of the turn down service. They bring you some water. They put your slippers down here by the bed and give you a nice little chocolate. And now the bathroom. Awesome soaking tub. This thing was awesome. Gets warm, bubbly. I don't quite get it though, because once you sit in the tub, water gets out and it splashes all over the floor, makes a big mess. Then, let's see here. You got your double vanities. 1, 2. The thing we like about the Aria a lot is at nighttime they take your stuff and they set it up and organize it really nice for you, so you have all your toiletries and whatnot. Okay. Big shower. Really big shower with a bench. And then your toilet by itself, off to the side with a bidet, front and rear, and a phone. Huge closet. And your in-room safe. And that's the Aria Sky Suites, room 34029.